In this build video I show you how to assemble the Neon 250 frame from Hobbyking. First you need 22 standoffs, 28 short screws and the 3 LED diffusers. Here I show you where to put the standoffs, but you can also see this in the diagram, which you can also find in the video description to this video. So let's get started. Let's speed it up a bit. I screwed the standoffs in place only by hand. After completing the build I will fasten all the screws, but for now this should do. You can also use Loctite to secure the screws, but I think there are so many of them and they probably don't come loose, but when they will, I will do this later. So all the standoffs are done. Let's move on to the LED diffusers. I took a screwdriver and screwed some screws into the diffusers since there are no screw threads. You should use the screw tab, but if you don't, just take a screw and screw it in. Do this for all the light diffusers. Now that you're done with the first layer, let's move on. For the next, we need the top spacers and the third layer, the top layer, all together, since they are only secured by the same screws. This video only shows you how to assemble the frame, but if you want to put your ESCs in, you want to do this before adding the top plate. So if you want to add your electronics to your quadcopter, do this after adding the standoffs and the light diffusers. As already mentioned, you find detailed pictures in the video description. The last thing to do is add the middle plate, the main top plate, and the spacers for them. After you've done this, you can also add the battery cage on the bottom. For this you will need the hex standoffs, not the round ones. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.